mean, your shit crazy.
And it's a ball hard. And bitch, I ball hard.
Yeah.
You is a leader.
Pop.
Put that shit on the floor, bitch.
Is that really alcohol?
We're drinking some alcohol, bitch.
Uncle Cider.
Alcohol.
It's red grape sparkling.
Yeah.
Bottles.
Some bottles, bitch.
Happy New Year's, bitches.
Too close to the camera. A little too close. Record me. Okay. Yo, you about okay, I'm a freestyle.
Yo.
All the way.
I knew that.
Yo.
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 Boys.
Check it.
Yo.
Everything that I wear gotta be brand new, from the shirts to the pants,
Alright.
even the shoes. Yo. This is what I mean.
Yeah.
Swag is so clean.
Whoa,
My
yeah.
swag so clean. I kept coming like a Game Ball Z.
Alright.
And I don't know what I'm saying, but
Hey,
I'm
but you ain't got no shoes.
rapping. Tay, Candace, and Kaders, and Trayvon went up to the laundry room to dry their clothes. I just missed New Year's, but I don't care though. Somebody's cell phone is ringing, and I'm so hyped. I keep coming like a cheese can. Corral, you finish recording me. And I am so hot. I am so fresh.
Where my phone at?
Come on, Chanel, say something.
Yo, it's fucking New Year. It's
Yo.
fucking 2008.
Yo.
I'm about to start this New Year off with a big bang, yo.
Yo.
I'm just so fucking hot with the night. I don't even know what to say. I'm just hot.
Yo, finish,
Yo.
finish rapping this bitch. Go to the door. I'm gonna record you.
now.
Go.
I'm fucking hot, yo.
Yo.
Nice, my shoes are hot.
Your shoes are hot,
I need to
bitch.
brush
Yeah.
my drawers, yo.
Your drawers. Keep going.
But yeah.
Yo. Hey. We have rap. The rap's almost done. We about to keep going. Cream of bitch. Cream of star. Cream of star. Cream of star.
Say happy New Year.
Happy New Year.